Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best hollandaise sauce using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, ensuring your butter is melted and warm. You'll need 3 egg yolks, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and a touch of lemon juice. Prepare a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over gently simmering water. This gentle heat is crucial for a smooth sauce. Now, let's prepare the egg yolks. Separate 3 yolks into your heat-proof bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Whisk these ingredients together continuously over the gentle heat. Keep whisking until the mixture becomes pale yellow, thick, and forms ribbons when lifted. This process should take about 3 to 5 minutes. This is the key step for a perfect hollandaise. Gradually, in a very slow, thin stream, drizzle in your 1/2 cup of warm, melted, unsalted butter. Whisk continuously and vigorously as you add it. The sauce will begin to thicken and become beautifully smooth and glossy. If it gets too thick, add a teaspoon of warm water. Once all the butter is incorporated and the sauce is thick, remove it from the heat. Taste and season with salt and a dash of white pepper. You can also add a few drops of hot sauce for a subtle kick. Serve your delicious, homemade hollandaise sauce immediately over eggs Benedict, asparagus, or fish. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.